My Designs has recently made a lot of updates to their interface and made it even easier and a lot quicker to publish listings to your Etsy store. So I thought I'd give you a quick overview and sort of updated tutorial on publishing 100 t-shirt designs to Etsy in about 5 minutes. If you're new to My Designs, I will have a link in the description where you can sign up to a free account. However, I will warn you, most of the features in this videos are limited to their paid subscriptions. What you have to do once you're logged into your dashboard is head over to the listings tab. This is where most of the magic happens. What we're doing here is we click on home, and then we want to create a new folder to save our designs into. I will call this Halloween matching costumes, because that is what the niche is in this case. We can use the default template and then click add folder. Now I'm going to choose the folder that's been created right here and then hit open folder in the bottom right corner. And now you need to click on upload, choose the first option from the drop down and then drag and drop your designs into this. One thing to note is I've already saved all of these 100 designs at the right dimensions for t-shirt print files. So I'm going to upload these and they are, just for your info, saved at 4,500 by 5,400 pixels. Now this process right here of importing the designs is actually what takes the longest in this entire process. And this, you can literally, go and do something else. It might take 2 or 3 minutes to import 100 designs, but you don't have to do anything. You can just leave it be. So here we go. We've got 100 designs that I've imported into this folder. The next step is generating the listing data. So what I'm going to do first is click on this button up here, select all of our designs, and then head to this sidebar where you've got a lot of shortcut buttons. We'll choose Vision AI to generate the data, and I'm going to click product features down here, choose the Bella 3001, which is the t-shirt we're going to sell, and then I'll give this some custom instructions as well, because it's going to scan the designs to create the listings, and it's not very obvious that these are Halloween themed designs. So what I'm going to say is these are Halloween themed couples matching outfits. They're great for trick or treat. Please include relevant keywords. Whoops. There we go. That's literally all I have to do. And then we're going to click generate listing data right here. Yes, run Vision AI. And here we are, about 30 seconds later, literally 100 listings have populated. We've got a title, description with the relevant product features down here as well for the Bella canvas. Let me draw this out properly. There we go. And we've also got relevant tags, Halloween couples, matching shirts, trick or treat, I'm with the almond, funny costume, spooky deal, Halloween shirt. As you can see, it's managed to populate these listings with very relevant keywords in an Etsy optimized format. You can obviously go into these and kind of customize them further. You don't have to stick with what the AI gives you, but it is definitely a great starting point and it saves a ton of time. If you want to further edit these, you can click into, listing right here and select edit in bulk. You've got a bunch of functions right here to add things to the end, to find and replace, to override, and you can also change the field that you're affecting right here. If you want to add to the description, feel free to with this bulk editing feature. And now typically we would go and generate some mockups, but we don't actually need to do that anymore because a lot of the mockups are now integrated into the publishing process, which makes things a lot quicker. So now the next step is heading to publish up here, and we can now choose public profiles. So rather than going through all the publishing steps, we can use a preset for specific products. If I type in shirt right here, you're going to see there is a bunch of presets for the Bella 3001. There's one for light colors and one for dark colors right here, as well as some multi-product listings. So if you also wanted to sell your shirts on sweatshirts and hoodies at the same time in the same listing, you can also load one of these profiles. You would probably want to add that information to the description as well, but just to make you aware, the option is here. In this example, we're just going to do t-shirts for dark colors. So I'll click load profile right here. So here we are now, it's loaded up a preset of mockups and the pricing and everything is already preset as well. We'll see that in a second right here. You don't have to stick to these preset colors on mockups. They do actually suit my design very well, but you could still, add more to this listing if you wanted to. Additionally, you can also add more mockups. So if you don't want these, you can click on add right here. We've got a bunch of options. So let's say we want some fall themed ones. I'll add one for women, one for men, and then actually enable the black color right here. You can change the order of the mockups as well, of course. And once you're happy with your listing and your mockup order and selection, then you want to click on populate data. Then you want to click choose prices. And this is a step which previously would have taken a very long time, but now, as you can see, we've already got prices selected. The 2XL and 3XL is more expensive, as we would have done it ourselves. And if you're not happy with this price, you can quickly, for example, turn it down. If this is too expensive in your opinion, you could say right here for the actions, decrease by a dollar amount. You could say decrease by $5, hit apply, and then with a few seconds, it will update this price for every single listing and size. And then if you're ready, click preview publish info. On this page, we just have to click on this right here. Another company or person did this, and then choose our production partner of choice configured on the Etsy side. And then we're literally ready to hit publish. You can save this as a new profile. So let's say you've chosen some new colors, you've chosen some new products, just save this as a new profile. So next time you don't need to do these additional steps of configuring different mockups. But yeah, then you want to click publish and wait for these to be uploaded to your Etsy drafts, where you can then publish them to the marketplace. If you've ever wanted to make changes to your live listings on Etsy, then you can now do that in bulk with a new My Designs feature. And this is regardless of whether you published the listings through My Designs or if you use something like Printify or Printful. And if you want to learn how to use this new sync feature, then make sure to check out this tutorial next.